How to Itel A49 hard reset. I don't know the phone lock. Power off the device by pressing the power button. Press and hold the power button plus the volume up button together. Release the power button after the light comes on. Release the volume up button after the recovery interface appears. Press the volume down button. Wipe data/factory reset. Press the power button. Press the volume down button. Factory data reset. Press the power button. Data wipe complete. Reboot system now. Press the power button. I skipped the video. It takes 2 to 3 minutes to start. Start. Skip. Set up office. Continue. Next. More. Accept. Skip. Agree. Choose the country. Bangladesh. Next. The lock has been removed. Assalamu alaikum.